We are back for our next style challenge,
Yes.
Nana versus Lou, maximalist versus minimalist. You can guess who's who. This time the theme is making the high street look expensive.
I know, I want to say this is my speciality subject.
This is.
I absolutely love picking pieces on the high street that everyone's like, oh my God, where's that from? And then you say, I don't know, Zara or H&M, and they're like, no.
And it's the best when it's so expensive you think you're not going to afford it, and then it's on the high street, then you can.
Exactly.
Number one tip, what do you think it is?
Number one tip would be look out for the details, an extra large lapel, buttons, really sleek cuts, and yeah, that is your go-to for looking expensive.
Nice. I like keeping it tonal. I think like a single colour palette always works, and rely on good accessories to make them look expensive.
Amazing, we'll get going.
Let's go.
I'm excited.